Not only are you unsure about how to use ChatGPT, but so are a lot of other people. ChatGPT became a worldwide sensation when it came out in late 2022, and its fame has only grown since then. Its huge appeal is partly due to the fact that it can be used in many different situations. Not only is it a good way to carry on a chat, but it can also be used to do research, make content quickly, and even code a basic website. And those are just the features that most people know about. ChatGPT has many other features that most people don't know about, like the ability to play a game it made. So, we're here to teach you how to use ChatGPT so you can start doing all of these amazing things and more right away. To use ChatGPT, you'll need two things: an OpenAI account and a computer browser. Even though ChatGPT doesn't have an app yet, it works with most famous browsers from Chrome to Edge, and you can even use it on your phone's mobile browser. Number 1. Sign up for OpenAI by setting up an account. To use ChatGPT, you need to have an OpenAI account. Go to chat.openai.com, which opens in a new tab, and click on Sign Up or Log In, based on whether you have an account or not. You can also choose Continue with Google or Continue with Microsoft to use current Google or Microsoft accounts to set up a new account. But you have to do that before you can click Sign Up. Number 2. Finish setting up your OpenAI account. After you've signed up for the service, you'll need to finish making the account with OpenAI so you can use ChatGPT. Type your name and click the Continue button to get started. Number 3. Make sure your phone number is right. To finish setting up your account, you'll need to connect a phone number. After picking where you are and giving a phone number, choose Send the Code choice. Then type in the code you were given on your phone. Number 4. Agree to ChatGPT's rules and regulations. Congrats! To use ChatGPT, you must first sign up for an OpenAI account. At this point, all you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions of ChatGPT. After reading the message, click the Next button to move forward. After that, read the next message about data collection and your protection, then click the Next button. After you've read the third message asking for comments, click the Done button. Number 5. Getting started right away with ChatGPT. Now you should be ready to use ChatGPT. Just type a question into the box at the bottom of the page to get a talk going. To start a new talk at any time, choose New Chat from the menu in the top left corner. So, how do you use ChatGPT effectively? You now know everything there is to know about how to use ChatGPT, so congrats! But if you want to get the most out of the robot, you'll want to use some of the following tips. Make your instructions as clear and brief as you can. Use the conversational flow of the chatbot to your benefit. If something goes wrong, you should ask ChatGPT to try again. If you follow these steps, you'll be an expert user of ChatGPT in no time. You'll be able to teach it to write poetry in different languages, make up a science fiction story out of thin air, help you with your homework, and do many other things. Just remember that ChatGPT can and will make mistakes because it can only be as effective as the data it's trained on, and it doesn't always pull that data in the right way. Because of this, you should always double-check and reread the information it gives you. Even though ChatGPT is a very useful tool, it's not perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.